Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 hidden smartphone features you probably didn't know exist. And number 7 will surprise you. Many phones have a hidden leveling line in the camera to keep photos perfectly straight. Turn on grid or level inside camera settings. Typing with one hand is hard, unless you activate one-hand mode. Just go to Settings, Advanced Features, One-Hand Mode. Tap the Recents button twice to quickly switch between your last two apps. No need to install apps. Most phones now have a built-in screen recorder. Just pull down the quick panel. Dial Jadras 4636 Jadras to open phone information like battery health and network details. You can copy text from photos. Just open your gallery. Long press on text, copy. Great for notes or copying from books. Double tap the screen to lock or wake your phone. You'll find it in Display Settings. Use Sound Amplifier to boost audio during calls or videos. Amazing for low-volume sound. Did you know you can share Wi-Fi without telling your password? Just tap your Wi-Fi and show the QR code. Handing your phone to someone? Turn on Guest Mode. It hides your apps, photos, and accounts completely. So, which hidden smartphone feature was new for you? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing smartphone tips.